Thank you for moderator for give me the time to presentation. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everybody. Good morning. I'm Diah Malaka Syakila from Group 2, Primary Education Pasca Sarjana Program, Semarang State University. I'm standing here to present about the impact of educational computer games on academic motivation and stress reduction in students. I will divide my presentation into four main parts. First is introduction, and second in methodology, and the third result and discussion, and the fourth is conclusion. And if you have any question, you can asking your question at the end of my presentation. First, introduction. Development technology made in hardware and software domains are so significant which are beyond expression and occupy a special place in schools and homes. The use of computer games enables students to engage in active process learning. In fact, some games and activities promote children's learning more than any other books available. Students face various stressful conditions in every day from major life events. Stress is an inevitable aspect of life and everyone experiences. While stress can be motivating when self-worth is tied to outcomes, failure and become devastating. It is important to say that enduring mental stress and the inability to cope with it underlines the significant proportion of physical and mental distress. The other variable besides stress is motivation. Motivation is internal process that directs and maintains behavior over time. Academic motivation is an important aspect of teaching and learning. It refers to willingness, needs, and factors that influence a person to a thorough obtain a degree. Student motivation skill to perform well in school and occupation. They talk more effectively regarding the benefits of motivational games. Main educational instructions suggested that games are effective in changing student performance because they make students more engaged in the learning process. And then computer games are among the tools that provide the students with opportunities to learn their lesson in objective, engaging, and entertaining way. The new and emerging technologies are capable to facilitate learning, increase their speed, as well as reduce learning time and create more favorable conditions for learning. From the introduction, we get the purpose of this research is to investigate the impact of educational computer games on academic motivation and stress reduction on high school students. Next is methodology. The design of the research is quasi-experimental, and the participant is 18 high school students from the age 14 and 17 years in the 4th district in Sira City in academic year of 2019 and 2020. Second, to experimental in control and experimental group. The instrument used for this study were tests of motivation achievement by Hermans and back anxiety inventory or BAE, data analysis with SPSS software. The procedure. The procedure, educational computer firstly identified and next the games with the high adaptation relevant to research variables were selected for the study. All the participants, both control and experimental group, filled the TMA and CISS question through a present administration. The treatment experimental group received an intervention consisting of 15 training sessions for 45 minutes each for 2 months, and finally, both groups were evaluated by post-test administration. And next is the result and discussion. Shown in table, the significance level of Komolov-Smirnov and Sapir-Whorf test of variable is greater than 0.05. Therefore, we can conclude that these variables are normally distributed and parametric tests can be used to prove the research hypothesis. According above the table, since the significance level F is 7.875, was calculated to be less than 0.05. It can be concluded that the educational games have a significant impact on student academic motivation. According the next table, since the significance level F is 45.973 was calculated to be less than 0.05. It can be concluded that the educational games have a significant impact on student stress level. Discussion is motivation is an internal phenomenon that drives a person from within and arises from the needs of the individual. Studies show that most innovation, production, discoveries, and creativity are the result of high effort and motivation. One of the most important issues affecting student academic achievement is motivation. It has been shown that there is a relationship between learning and motivation, so that learners' superior knowledge affects their motivation. Computer training creates students' motivation and reduces stress in the teaching learning process. Peace of mind in students. The computer-based educational games can play an important role in improving academic achievement and creativity, and it is constituent components. Computer games are among the tools that provide students with an objective and engaging environment and make learning entertaining and fun. The new and emerging technologies are capable to facilitate learning, increase their speed, reduce learning times, as well as create more favorable conditions for learning. This type of education development are desire and motivation for learning in the student, resulting in stress reduction in the teaching learning process and guarantees peace of mind for the student. In addition, using of flexible space and facilities during teaching increase the motivation level. Therefore, computer games are likely to provide teachers with opportunity Okay, and last and conclusion. The conclusion is the educational games computer are effective in student stress level and academic motivation. Okay, if you have any question about my article, you can ask now. If not there, I'll close this session. Sorry if there is a wrong word. Thank you for your attention. I hope this presentation has given us new insight about impact of educational computer games on academic motivation and stress reduction in students. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you next time.